What if designing your own custom carpet was as easy as a few clicks? First, head to the Ramsha website and click on the Customization Software button at the top. From here on, you are the designer. Start with the Design tab. Here you can explore from a range of collections, each with its own unique patterns and textures. Browse and pick your favorite to get started. Then, in the Visualization tab, use the Design view to see your carpet's intricate details in high resolution. Below the Design view, you'll find Illustration view, where you can choose different spaces, or upload a photo of your own room to see exactly how the rug fits in real life. Then, in the Design Variation tab, you can experiment with different shapes to find what complements your space best. Next, go to Color Customization and adjust shades and colors until they perfectly match your style or interior theme. Once you're happy with your design, click the Order button, add your rug's details, choose your preferred quality, and hit Request Quote. And you're done. Your custom rug, ready to be made real.